Reverse osmosis is more popular than ever before. But what exactly is reverse osmosis? And is it worth the hype? Reverse osmosis is a water filtration process that uses a pump to push water through a semi-permeable membrane. This membrane only allows very tiny particles of water to get through, which take out impurities like fluoride, bacteria, and other organic matter. In addition to improving taste, reverse osmosis systems remove more water contaminants than most other methods, like your carbon filtration, which is used in most fridge water filters. These drinking water systems typically get installed at your kitchen sink. There are also whole home units available for people who really want to have that clean water at every fixture in their house. To get the right system for you and your family, book now to get your free consultation.